Expectations. What should you expect from this program? We're going to break down the absolute basics of Forex and trading Forex. However, I want you to understand that at the end of this program, at least in my opinion, you would have absorbed about 0.5% of what is needed to be able to effectively and consistently be a trader. Furthermore, even when you are a profitable trader, this doesn't mean that you will never lose trades. This is a part of the industry. You can absolutely use this program as a base to build from and learn and grow by yourself after completion. And you can absolutely do this without ever paying for information in this space, ever again. Doing that, however, is going to make your journey way harder. Possible, but harder. Go over this program as many times as you want. It's free. Good luck in your future endeavors.